After a full night's sleep, your body is dehydrated, and warm lemon water will help to replenish your fluids. The sour taste of lemon stimulates bile production for your liver and helps to stimulate peristalsis, which helps to create good digestion and elimination first thing in the morning. Warm lemon water will also support your liver, which is a natural detoxifier. Because lemons are high in vitamin C, it will also boost your immune system. Now, before we even make our lemon water, we can pause and recognize this as a moment of self-care before we even start our day. This lemon contains the whole universe. It contains the earth that grew it, the sun that grew it, the rain that watered it. It contains the people that transported it to you, all the people that worked in the grocery stores. It contains the whole universe, and we can just take this moment of gratitude to recognize all the causes and conditions that went into bringing this lemon to you. So when you slice your lemon, you can even take a moment then to breathe in the aroma and let it uplift and soothe your nervous system. So when I make warm lemon water, this is just a little tip. I always cut it in half and slice off the bottom. It just makes it easier for the juices to come out. And then we'll put it in our mug. And then so often we rush through our days, so we can, even as we pour the warm lemon into our glass, we can choose to do this slowly and mindfully and breathe while we do that. Okay, now let's take this time to anchor in the present moment, to breathe the scent in and breathe out even before we take a sip. And then you can take your first sip of warm lemon water and feel how it nourishes you as you take in this warm lemon water. So we can smile and savor each sip and know that we are supporting our bodies by encouraging elimination, supporting our liver, supporting our immune system, hydrating our whole body, taking this moment of self-care to have warm lemon water in the morning.